And our birthday boy, Johnny Robinson, is going to bring him around. Yeah, Johnny Robinson's mom wanted me to tell him happy birthday, so all of you know whose birthday it is. All right, here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. And it's going to be the birthday boy to feel the heat from Garrick Fry right off the bat. Robinson, the 2019 defending Sportsman champion here at the Rockford Speedway. But it's Fry on that outside lane, as that outside definitely proved to be faster tonight. Chad Smith's going to go with them. We'll see what Pretty Boy's going to do here in that 68 car. Johnny Robinson trying to grab that spot, and he does. He closes the door on Erickson that time. He says, no, I think I'll grab the outside. It seems to work. Trevor Robinson working to the inside of Featherston. See how he does going into turns 3 and 4. Otherwise, everybody else side by or single file racing. Trevor Robinson really does for no harm, no foul, hangs on to it. Everybody else back to single file racing as Garrick Fry out of Durand, Illinois, is bringing them around. We are now halfway through. Chad Smith starting to look to the inside of Garrick Fry to challenge him for the lead. Johnny Robinson looked like his rear end got a little loose coming out of 2 there. And Steven Erickson right there to let him know I'm going to try to pass you. But Johnny's brother Trevor's looking to the inside of the Pretty Boy now in the 68 car, looking to take away that 4th spot. 6 in this time around, 2 to go. Trevor Robinson looking to the inside of Steven Erickson. Chad Smith starting to look to the inside of Garrick Fry. White flag this time for Garrick Fry. We'll see if Chad Smith's got something for him. Otherwise, this could be Garrick Fry's race. And it's going to be Garrick Fry, followed by Chad Smith, Johnny Robinson in 2nd, Steven Erickson, Trevor Robinson in 5th, and 6th place, John Featherston. So the birthday boy gets 3rd place. How cool is that to race on your birthday night, huh? I got to race on my birthday one time, and I tried really hard to win, and you know what? It didn't work out too good. It just happens sometimes like that. So we're going to make some noise for this driver here, all the way from Durand, Illinois. He's going to get out of his car. Driving an 85 Monte Carlo. Bobby's on the spot. O'Connor's heating and cooling. Saletti Performance Paint. Nature's Touch Taxidermy. Cutthroat Corbin's Barbershop. Neighbor's Bar and Grill. B&C Transmissions. You know he's got to be hot. Working up a sweat in there. Probably go in the pits and drink like a gallon of water. Let's see. There's the window net coming down. Rockford Speedway, make some noise for him when he gets out of the car. There's the hats going on. He's getting out. Just takes a minute because it's warm. He'd probably say it's more than warm. Nope, he's not going to get out. Let's make some noise, Rockford Speedway. It's Garrick Fry.